munich-FPV.
Hot. It's hot, you know. Focus. Hot. Yes. Hey YouTube, and welcome to another video. Today I got mail and I get this package here. This is the new RunCam 3S, and in this video we're gonna do a little unboxing and see what's inside the package. And here's the package, and we just open it right now. Woohoo! I ordered this one directly from RunCam, and yeah, today it was in the mail. What I have to say, I had two GoPros, two sessions, one old and one newer one. This is the older one, this is the newer one. They're both broken, so maybe this one is now the thing I will work with or I'm gonna fly with. Yeah, we'll just open this seal here. And here we are. That's what is expecting us in a nice orange. There's still the lens on it. That's the camera. And what else is here inside? We have the manual. And probably some cables. Oh, we have a strap to put it on your copter. We have a micro USB cable. Unfortunately, it's no USB-C. There's another LiPo strap. Here is okay. You can. I think you can use it also as an FPV camera. Yeah, that's it. So that's basically everything you get. You get two LiPo two straps to mount it on your copter. You get the camera itself. You get an USB cable, and you get some wires to put it directly onto your BTX probably. It's also a bit bigger than the GoPro, so as you can see it's a little bit bigger, and it's probably, let's put it on the scale. I will just use the GoPro 4. This is the case from the GoPro 4 with the GoPro 4. You would see how much this brings on the scale. We have 72.5 and the RunCam 69. So the RunCam is a little bit lighter. And yeah, let's see how this camera will perform. I will put it on my copter probably on the weekend, and then you will see the first videos from this little fella here. What's up guys, this was the first flight with the new RunCam 3S, and I have no idea how the image looks. I have no idea if there's some jello or not. You're gonna see it. Yeah, and I'm really excited to see how this footage looks like too.